Today we have Janvi Panda with us, and she is the winner of Fit Factor. First of all, I want to know your experience of body power.
Body power is amazing. No word to explain because this is my second time. Last year also I was participated here, and then this year, just unbelievable experience. Good people, good experience, and this experience will help me in my future also in with my client everywhere. It's excellent. No words. There is no word to explain or express. I'm so much excited, happy, and everything.
From how many years you are in fitness industry and why?
Uh, Fitness industry from when I started my working as a hotel industry, as a front office manager, as a reception and all, check in, check out, working. Then after that, marriage, my son, my husband is in same industry. He's a nutrition planner and all. And then he support me, go forward if you are interested. Don't switch this job and that job. If you are interested in the fitness, just go ahead. I'm there. But for as a fitness, a basic fitness from last 8 years, as a gym going, aerobics doing and all. But for a fitness model and for a competition, I was in last 1 year.
Can we call your son on the stage? How many old he is?
He's 8 years old.
What's your good name?
Yash Praveen Pandav.
Yes, 8 years.
You have 8 years old son,
Son, yes.
and how you manage your fitness industry and your family also.
Uh, this is really a very challenging task, but a female, if she want to do something, na, she will. Because from morning 4 o'clock my routine started till night 11. Every day the same routine. He is very supporter. Even my husband is very supporter. Because of him, I'm here.
Uh, I want to ask about your diet schedule also. That which diet you take.
My diet, my nutrition, and everything taking care. My husband, he suggests me what to eat, what to not, what. Everything I prepared, but he advised each and everything. Ki what time you have to wake up, what time you have to eat, your workout plan and everything. Because I don't have any trainer on me. He is a trainer. He is whole and soul. Everything he guide, and today this win just because of him.
Do you want to give any message to your young Indian fans through our channel Fitness Guru?
Fitness Guru, really this magazine and this channel is excellent. I heard lot, and today this experience with Mr. Sunil, ki I'm here. This is a dream come true now with my son, with my all guys, my husband and all.
I want to call upon your husband also.
Praveen. Praveen Pandey.
Sir, now I want to ask the question to Praveen Pandav sir. That sir, how you manage your fitness industry and our family also you have?
Sir, it's a part of the life. You have to manage because the work is different, and your professional life is different. Work is we can say there should be some commitment. For a fitness, that is a fashion only. So we should give time for passion as well as your work is there is no option. But for your passion, you should give time, and for that you have to do hard work and your regular schedule, your diet, and mostly the thing is we can say the regular basis your nutrition and diet is very tough to handle. So for that you have to do, and don't have any option. You have to put lots of effort for that.
Sir, why you love bodybuilding?
So from like I can say that from 10th I'm having lots of craze for a fitness, and I'm from 15 years this industry. I have a own gym, I have a own supplement shop, I was a trainer, I have in marketing, and we can say that the passion there is no option. If you have a passion, the three idiots maybe come late, but my passion, I was in software computer industry, but from that I shifted in fitness industry because of only passion. I'm trying for this industry from 2000 2001, and 2001 I finally come back as a trainer, as well as I'm doing a marketing for a nutrition also. So I can say the complete package we have right now. My son also doing gymnastics and karate. She's also handling the own gym. I'm handling the own nutrition shop. So we are from this industry only.
Fitness industry.
From
that's why in
born and
Fitness
brought for
Guru.
this industry only.
Ma'am, thanks both of you for giving us a time, and thank you
so
also.
much. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot,
for
ma'am.
this
Thank you.
opportunity in your fitness.